Hello everyone, so in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can set up voicemail on your Android. So first you need to open the phone app and then press and hold 1. Let me show you the steps here, and choose the phone icon and then press and hold 1 on the keypad. So once you do that, you will see a message like this. Like, to set up voicemail, just go to the menu and then settings. Then all you have to do is click OK. Now, if this is your first time setting a voicemail, you'll likely see this message, and then just go to settings and then choose voicemail, and you'll find this if you scroll down a bit, and then you have to go to the advanced settings, and inside that you'll see this option here called voicemail, and then choose your service carrier, and then just choose the tap service and choose your carrier option, and then click on setup, and you should now see an area labeled voice number with the value not set. So this is where you will have to set your voicemail number. Just add your number and click OK, and once that's done you have successfully set a voicemail number. So just return to the phone app, then tap this button here, and you need to press and hold, and this will dial your voicemail. So as you can see, it will look like this, and then you can just listen to and follow the instructions to complete the process. So that is how you can actually set a voicemail on your Android phone.